Jamaicans, have you ever wondered about your last name? For most of us of African descent, our surnames don't trace back to our ancestors. Much of that lineage was lost, entire tribes erased or disconnected through history. Most Jamaicans carry European last names, likely inherited from plantation owners or given as anglicized substitutes. Names like Williams, Brown, Smith, Johnson, Thompson, Clark, Davis, and Campbell are English or Scottish in origin. Powerful African names like Ademi or Amari, rich with lineage and meaning, were stripped away after emancipation in 1838. Some freed Jamaicans chose new surnames, often biblical like Isaacs or Moses, or aspirational like Freeman, Pope, or Victor. Others kept the names they were given because it was all they had ever known. Many Jamaicans also carry Scottish or Irish surnames like Mackenzie, McFarlane, O'Connor, and Doherty, rooted in the history of overseers, settlers, and indentured workers. And beyond that, names like Chin, Lee Wong, Singh Persad, Rambiel, Zaka, Issa, or Henriquez reflect the Chinese, Indian, Lebanese, and Jewish migrations that helped shape our island. So, what journey is your last name carrying through history, and where is it leading you now?